You'll never guess what happened after the biggest sparkle party in the cotton candy kingdom. It all started at the annual cotton candy sparkle party. Everybody came. The gummy bears, the marshmallows, the jelly beans even. Even I danced until sunrise. Everything mixed together into one great big happy celebration. We twirled. We swirled. We giggled. We even had a bubblegum conga line. Ay caramba, what a party! The next morning, I woke up with dragon breath. Not 'cause I'm a dragon, because I visited the Dragon Punch Bowl a few more extra times. Even my magic carpet rolled itself up and moved across the room. I floated away inside the biggest cotton candy cloud I could find. I can't breathe! What is this? What is this? The eyelashes! Oh, the lips! But you look like you sell cosmic perfume at a mall kiosk! I stayed there until my dragon's breath finally cooled off. That took a while. When I finally peeked out, I discovered I had accidentally left behind my giant sparkle egg. Fortunately, it was right where I left it. But while I was hiding, my dragon's breath drifted across the blueberry valley. The blueberries puckered up so hard, they turned wonderfully sour. Stop laughing! You look like Miss Intergalactic Dessert Festival! They all rushed together into the winding sour blueberry river. I hurried over and opened the giant sparkle egg. Inside was the last bit of sparkle magic, just enough to save the day. The sparkle magic floated into the sour blueberry river. But instead of staying golden, the river trickled the magic and it tickled it. It twisted it. It stretched the magic and suddenly it became glowing dragon veins. Holy moly! I'd never seen anything like it. Magical river flowed all around the candy clouds. It found every little valley, every little pathway, every little hiding place. Oh no! It flirted with you! I hate this bitch. I'm gonna pee my pants! The next person who laughs dies. Then I tucked the whole candy kingdom into the frosty little nap. Magic always gets stronger after a nice chilly rest. Cotton candy clouds, tangy dragon veins, and the best part, no more dragon's breath. Now that's magical.